Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted to do a quick video of the premier yarn that I ordered recently. It was a good sale that they had. I did a little bit of a second order too when they had their free shipping over the July 4th weekend. Anyways, so I wanted to say hi and welcome to my returning watchers and subscribers, as well as welcome to the new watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for coming. And if you like the content of this video and of my channel, please click the like button and subscribe. Also, I wanted to say a special thank you to my members. Thank you so much for your continued support and for watching my video. And if you'd like to become a member, you can also, it's the same button as the subscribe button. Subscribing is free. And I have a video there that plays that explains the membership. So anyways, on to showing the goodies. So they had some specials where you bought a bag of 3 of the Premier Cotton Sprouts yarn. They're speckled, and I think it was coming out to like $8. Yeah, the last time I checked it was still on sale. I don't know if it'll still be on sale by the time you watch this video. Sorry, everything is still not organized like I want it to be. Okay, so yeah, so I bought some bags. This is the color Surfboard. It's really pretty. I'm gonna keep it in the plastic. It's the speckled one, so it's mostly a white yarn with different colors going through. On this Surfboard one, it looks like it's orange, green, yellow, and some blue that are speckled throughout. It's a thin cotton yarn, and it's 194 yards or 178 meters, 3 ounces or 85 grams, and 100% cotton. They categorize it as a number 3 DK lightweight yarn. They recommend a 4mm US size, I think that's a 6 knitting needles, or US 5mm H8 crochet hook. They say machine wash, warm, tumble dry is okay. It's tested and approved against 350 harmful substances, and I'm not really seeing on the label where it says where it's made. So made in Turkey. There we go. It's in really small print on the top. So yeah, and they have free patterns for what to do with this yarn on their website. They have some free patterns available. So this is the same specifications, but a different colorway. This is the colorway Waves. So this one has specks of a lighter green with a lighter blue and a darker blue throughout. So I haven't used this yarn yet, so, but it's nice and soft. Oh, sorry. Still tired. And this is the third colorway I bought. This one is called Wildflower. Same specifications, except this one has like a lime green, specks of lime green, purple, a darker purple, and a darker green and yellow. And like a yellowish green and red. So I think that would look pretty cool. And then I decided to get, they had some of this, which is their unlabeled cotton yarn. It was the bag for $5, so I guess it comes out to like $1.25, 25 cents. It doesn't say how much yardage or anything. It just says net weight 14 ounces. And it's about this thick, so I would say it's kind of close to a 4 weight yarn, worsted weight. And it's soft, so that was nice. This one's pretty thin. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's pretty thin. I would say, yeah, it's close to probably a 3. It is a 3. I'm sorry. And then I got 2 skeins of the Dottie yarn, which I really like. I got the colorway. This is Peach Blossom. And then this is the colorway Lagoon. And I think they had them for $4 a skein of these. So these are 100% acrylic. It's also kind of like that speckled theme. It's called color shifting dot print. So there's 656 yards per skein, 600 meters, 7 ounces, 200 grams. Machine wash warm, tumble dry. They classified it as a lightweight number 3, a DK weight, and I would agree with that. Works up real nice. It's nice and soft. It recommends US size 5 knitting needles, which is 3.75 millimeters, or a 4 millimeter US G6 crochet hook. And it's also made in Turkey. So that's what I read to you. The Lagoon is white with specks of a really pretty kind of like turquoise blue with green, like a lime green and purple, and then a royal blue. Speckled it throughout. And the Peach Blossom, it's like peach colored yarn, and it has specks of darker orange, of kind of like an olive green in there, the specks, and brown. So yeah. And this is what it looks like on the label. Sorry, there's a bit of a glare there. And you could see it if you go on Premier's website too, and that's how that one looks on the label, the specs. So yeah, so I hope you like that. I also had bought during Ophire's sale some hooks. These are the ones that I think they're gonna stop making, so they were priced much cheaper, a lot cheaper. So that's how it comes. Whew. I'm sorry. I think it might be time for a nap soon. Sorry for the crinkling sounds. They do a cute thank you for your order, and then give you an important thing about be careful with your hooks. Don't put them in heat. Don't drop them. Keep them away from surfaces where to avoid breaks. Handle with care. They got a little paw. So these each were $14.39. Ow, 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 ow. That's on my hair. They come in these containers so the hook doesn't break, so it has some protection. So I got different sizes. This one is the L size, which is the aquamarine March birthstone. It's really pretty. And these are inline. I don't know if you could see the hook head. Yeah. So yeah, and it has the name, you know, the size and the company. Sorry that it's reversed. There, that's better. So you know what size it is right there. Easy to read. And that's your little canister where the hook goes in. So the aquamarine is like a pretty green with some swirls of like whitish. This one is the garnet. It's the March birthstone. Sorry, that other one was aquamarine. I think I said that. So this is the garnet. It's pretty. It's like a darker red with shades of like a burgundy-ish black in there, swirled in. So it's a 5mm H8 hook. There you go. So you can see the head. There's not like a ton of space there, but yeah. I usually get worried about trying to use it, and sometimes it has a little spacer there when it's the smaller hook sizes, so it doesn't bang around. And the tip is nice and pointy. I don't know if you can see that. So that's nice. Easier to get into for those harder yarns. I only got 4. This next one is... Ooh, that has sparkles in it. This is the Peridot. This is August birthstone. It's a 5.5 millimeter. This one I got as a gift for someone, for my aunt. She doesn't know. So yeah, I don't know if you can see, it has some sparkles in there, like in here. But it's very pretty. It's like a lighter color, kind of a more lime green mixed with white swirls and sparkles in there. Oops. And I think last but not least, yay, this is the yellow topaz. This is a 6.5 millimeter K crochet hook, US size K. You see it written on there. It's a pretty yellow. It's in kind of like a lemon. So, which makes sense, the yellow topaz. It has some swirls in it, but they're really not coming up on the, there you go. You see them a little bit coming up on there in the video. So yeah, so that's everything I wanted to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Nice and sweet short video. So take care. Bye.